Ever looked at your car's old, yellowing or scratched paint protection film and thought, it's time for a change? But the fear of sticky residue or, worse, damaging the paint underneath has held you back. Well, fear no more. Removing PPF the right way is a straightforward process. With patience, the right techniques and a few key products, you can lift that film away to reveal the perfect paint waiting below.
Start at an edge or corner. Gently apply heat, moving the gun constantly to avoid concentrating heat in one spot. You want to warm the adhesive, not cook the paint. A good rule of thumb: if it's too hot to touch, it's too hot for the paint. Heat an area about a foot square at a time. This is the critical moment. As the adhesive softens, slowly pull the film back on itself at a low angle. Think low and slow. This gentle, steady tension is what prevents stretching and tearing. If you feel resistance, stop. Apply more heat ahead of your peel line. Never yank it straight up.
Even with perfect peeling, some adhesive may remain. This is normal. Spray your dedicated adhesive remover onto the residue, not directly on the paint. Let it dwell for 60 seconds to break down the glue. Then, gently wipe with a microfiber towel. For stubborn spots, use a fresh plastic razor blade held at a shallow angle, lubricated with your remover. The plastic is far softer than your clear coat.
Once all film and residue are gone, you must remove any leftover oils from the remover. Mix a 10:1 ratio of water to isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle. Mist the panel and wipe it down thoroughly with a clean microfiber. This prepares the surface for a new PPF installation or a fresh layer of wax or sealant. And there you have it. A paint protection film removal that leaves zero residue and, most importantly, zero paint damage. The secret wasn't strength, it was patience, heat, and the right tools. Your car's paint has been protected all these years. Now, it's ready for its next chapter. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, Always seek out a qualified detailer or PPF installer. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and keep it shining.